Alright, welcome to the blog. This video, I just got done installing the VariantAero diffuser. That's what I got right here. I just finished it. It's the aggressive style. It look pretty damn dope. I got that through Instagram actually. So if you wanna look for it, check VariantAero on Instagram. It's for 2015 plus WRX. I'm not sure if he got for other type of vehicle. I believe he got like 2 or 3 different styles. He got, this is the aggressive one, then is the no aggressive, which is like straight down, and then is the curve, which is like it's like cut here, and then it's like pointy down here, come kind of like a point. But I got this one because I like this style better. Pretty simple. Just get bolts. See the nuts? You got 2 clips right here. You take those clips out. You put the bolts. You tie the nut in them, and then down here they get tight. Over here in the corner beside the pipe, you have to drill. You got a hole in it, and you just have to drill. And then you put the lock nut on the bolt. The ball on the lock nut right in here. Then you tie it down over here. Same thing on this side. Here is another clip. You just take the clip out and you put the bolt. You tie it with the nut, and then after you put the diffuser, then you put another nut. I paint them black just because I don't want to see that silver from far away. I rather paint them black. Like I paint all the screws in black, but I think it look better. Like, so when you see it from this side, you don't see all them screws like super bright and shiny. I think it look way better like that. It didn't took me long, but I actually supposedly I thought I did, but I guess I didn't read the description. And this one, it was made for people that had like no mufflers, and I did have muffler, so it was hitting inside here. It was hitting the muffler, so I had to cut it. You see, I make a cut here, go through here, make a cut right in there. Now if you can see it, maybe from the bottom you can see it. You see, I cut it right in there so I can fit the pipe. So now it's way better now. I just use a grinder. I cut it there and I cut it on the other side too, so I could fit there, so it wasn't touch the muffler, and then it fit flush on it. Boom, right there. Make the cut. This whole piece in here was hitting the muffler, so I cut it out. It's short, not that long, so you don't have to tie it like through your sway bars like other ones do. That you have to take the brace out for the sway bar if you got the white links. If you got the white line sway bars, this one don't get connected down there, so later on I'll probably get the sway bars. I got what is the name? Speed control arms. Godspeed control arms. I still have the stock pipe, yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to do a video about the diffuser. If you wanna get it, check VariantAero on Instagram. Give you a side view. Look pretty damn aggressive. Let me close the trunk. Probably look better if I close the trunk. There you go. Man, that look badass. Oh yeah, VariantAero. If you wanna check it out. Look pretty damn dope. Pretty damn dope. Any question, you can leave it on the comments. Like, subscribe. I will keep making more videos.